I'm gonna start over. Hi guys! Okay, hi. It's New Year's Eve and we're downtown right now, and because we're doing a bunch of fireworks and such on the beach. Also, this is Red Bull, not beer, don't fret.
Wow, I look like it's like 5 degrees outside. I'm in like a long sleeve and jeans.
I was cool back there, but now it got a little warmer all of a sudden. Oh, I guess I'm standing and I was like, wow, you look really tall.
Yes.
Do you want to, oh, they have your smoothies. Do you want to try and find shaved ice?
Yeah, we should probably also try to find maybe an ATM.
True. Okay. But we are at the Saturday night market right now at Yapao or Yapao. Yapao.
Oh my god.
I know, my hair's all over. And then they're going to be doing fireworks right here on the beach, so we're just going to walk around and look at some of this stuff.
Are you guys tired?
Yeah. Hey guys.
Please stop. It's too bright.
Alright, we are waiting. Wow, it is really bright. We're waiting for fireworks now. We're on the beach and we have like 1 minute left until midnight and then it's 2017. Yeah, well, they can suck it. I have to videotape. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going to head back to base, but the fireworks were really good. Obviously, you'll see them in the previous clips. But it was fun. Better than sitting at the house.
Yeah.
Because the last 2 New Year's Eves, I've been here in Guam. What was that? 2014. I came and visited, and then last year.
I had my concussion, so we were kind of just taking it easy.
Yeah.
Mostly because I had like a raging headache.
Yes, and so I was like, okay, well, this is our last one, so we're gonna actually go out and like see something. So we did. It was fun.
Yeah, I can't wait to see New Year's with like snow again.
Yeah, but it's 2017, everyone.
So it's like 2016, but with another different number.
Yes, but it's a new year and we're in the future, so boom.